Hey, I'm Kerry Grinkmeyer with Best of Us Investors, and I'm standing in front of the skyline of Birmingham, Alabama. This is where I did one of my first videos when I got into YouTubing, and I was in real estate, and I wanted to tell people about the city of Birmingham. It's evolved into a channel about investing, and I had something of an awakening in the last couple of days. I've noticed that my viewership has gone down, and just yesterday I saw that I had a net loss of subscribers, 18 net loss of subscribers yesterday. And what I realized is I'm not talking about what my viewers want to hear. I'm not talking about NIO, and I'm not talking about Workhorse, and I'm not talking about Tesla and the 5 split. In fact, the biggest videos I've done was one where I explained that one of my tribe members was betting his whole house by taking a second mortgage out on his house on Tesla. The second biggest was one where I explained that Tesla was going to do a 5-to-1 split. And as I then moved out of those areas and started talking about what was important to me, about making good financial decisions, about keeping more of what you make by setting up the proper investment vehicles and taking advantage of our tax laws, and then the ultimate goal of building wealth that you could pass on to your heirs, my views started going down. I wasn't talking about what you wanted to hear. I'm sorry about that, and I want to let you know I'm not going to talk about what you want to hear. I've given it a lot of thought, and what I think I want for the future is to be your mentor, and that's it. I'm not going to get 1 million subscribers like Graham and Meet Kevin, because I'm not going to talk about tomorrow's events or today's events. I'm going to talk about making good investment decisions, whether it be in the stock market or it be in real estate or whatever else I come about. I want to share with you what I'm doing and how I'm reacting to the current markets. Now, that may mean I don't put out a video every day like I have been, and some days I've been doing 2 and 3 videos because I was chasing views. I'm not going to do that anymore. I don't think that's in your best interest. I want to be your mentor. I want to share my 76 years of experience with you and help you become a better person as a result of it. And when I say a better person, I mean that you expand your horizons. I'm doing something right now. I did a video on entrepreneurship. That's what I've done my life, is be an entrepreneur. I explained how the wealthiest people in this world are entrepreneurs. And if you want to be one of the wealthiest people, or if you just want to be comfortable, you need to have a side gig. You have to create something that everybody else wants. You have to get past that negative roommate in your head that says, I'm not capable of doing that. I may be capable of being a lawyer or an electrician or a plumber or a nurse or a school teacher, but you have something that you can offer, just like Jeff Bezos did, just like Mark Zuckerberg did. And then have the courage to take it forward. Have the courage to put that roommate in your head out. But again, I want to emphasize something that I have never heard on any of my other mentioned YouTube channels. You got to put forth the work. You need to educate yourself. You need to read books. You need to read. There's another YouTube channel called Real Vision, and I noticed these people are very professional. They have about 4 presenters, and they dig deep and they bring in educated people, but they don't have 1 million subscribers because 1 million people don't want to put forth the work and put forth the effort to truly understand. They want someone to give them a wisdom today that can turn them into $100,000, $1 million tomorrow. I'm not going to give you that. So I'm sorry if that's what you expected. What I would ask you to do is be supportive of the channel. I'm not going to chase the million viewers, so I'm not going to have the revenue. I want you to support the channel. I want you to go down here and join and support then my passion, and that is to help find a cure for cancer. After, if you'll experience, you'll understand that I lost my mother to cancer, I lost my father to cancer, I lost my daughter to cancer, and I'll probably go as a part of cancer. So that's what I want to do. I want to be straight up front with you. If you want the hottest tip for today, this is not the channel for you. I'm all about three things: making good investment decisions, 2, keeping more of what you make, and 3, building wealth that you can pass on to your heirs. I'm also involved now. I've had an awakening relative to real estate. I had a tribe member who has shared with me that he's trying to build a course to educate real estate agents how to turn real estate property into rental property and make it available to investors. And when I say investors, I mean retired folks who can't survive on what they're getting on their CDs. And I'm talking about foreign investors or just local investors who want to get into real estate and need a conduit to help them get there. So I want to do what Zillow and Open Door is doing in the real estate market, as far as bringing sellers directly to them, as to take over their house, buy it from them, and then turn around and sell it through a real estate agent. I want to do something similar with investment property. I want to be a disruptor, and I want to invite you, if you want to be a part of that formation of a new company using technology to disrupt the investment industry, I want you to contact me and be a part of it. I did a live Zoom video meeting just on Wednesday. We had adequate turnout, and I'm going to do another one. So if this is the kind of channel you want to get involved in, if this is how you want to learn, if this is how you want to grow your investment portfolio, I suggest that you go down to bestofusinvestors.com, come to us, and we'll teach you how to move forward.